Alright, so I've noticed a few people having issues getting belts on when they're tight. They've got a 205 lower, stock upper, and this belt here is a 7PK 1350, so 1350. Right now my tensioner is maxed out. I've got the pin in there. The belt's not going to go on. Right? I can actually push this on, turn the supercharger pulley, and it'll lock on. But if you want to not damage the belt, take it off of the idler, put her over the supercharger, right, over the crank, over the tensioner. Hold on, let me just get this in spot and then put you guys down. So I'm just going over all the outside pulleys. Make sure I've got them all on. There you go. All right, so I'm over the upper tensioner. We got the pin in, the crank is on, and now the idler is last. No, just watch. I'm gonna walk it on. See? So when people are telling you use the idler last, that's what they're trying to say. I mean, we still have room here. It's just the lip over here is too large to go over. So use the idler last, it's easier to slide on. If that still doesn't work, your best route is to use the supercharger pulley as your last, and you're gonna turn the whole engine over by grabbing a hold of this, vice gripping it around, basically with your hands. No, not using a vice grip, squeezing it hard, and you will walk it on, all right? Hope this helps.